Thanks for buying our Wi-Fi smart switch. It is available for 1 gang, 2 gang, 3 gang, with both white and black colors. It supports controlled by touch. Controlled by mobile app. Voice controlled via the Amazon Echo and Google Home Mini smart speaker. Alexa, turn on the living room light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the dinner room light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the bedroom light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the living room light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the dinner room light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the bedroom light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on my house.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off my house.
Okay.
For the Wi-Fi RF smart switch, it also support control via the remote controller. It can use for multi-way control the light from different place, such as the bedroom, stairs two-way control or multi-way control.